The hull of every MCY presents itself as extremely solid, light shell with top-of-the-category safety standards. Characteristics made possible by the modular approach, together with the use of self-supporting plating made in sandwich, longitudinal reinforcements, a bow crash box, and extensive use of Kevlar and carbon fibres. All main electrical and hydraulic systems that are strictly linked to the hull, as well as water and fuel tanks and the engine room equipment, are assembled during this phase. Main engine room bulkheads are insulated with composite insulation materials that serve to absorb a large portion of engine noise and also reflect heat back into the engine compartment, where it can be dissipated with the engine room blowers.